Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
First of all, what do you think about the signings, Emmanuel Keke, Yusuf Mubarak, and now the left back, Patrick Asma? What do you think about the signings? Yeah.
Well, to begin with, I think Emmanuel Keke is a good signing because I've been watching him for a while. I've been following him ever since we were interested. Okay. But Yusuf Mubarak, it seems we have too many central defenders, to my opinion, because in my opinion, we have Wahab Adams, we have Ayeku Tete, we have Ajiman Badu, whose contract they are still negotiating, I guess. And we have Habib, and we have Ganiyu. So 5 center backs.
So okay, I understand what you mean. Go on.
So if Yusuf comes, it becomes 6, which means some people should make room for Yusuf to come in. I watched him a little bit. He's pretty good on the ball, but his defense, well, I'm a bit skeptical about his defense though. But he's really good on the ball. Nowadays we all need one ball playing center back and a rugged one like Pepe. So I think he can complement one of the center backs that we have.
I think we had a defender like Pepe, Mpem da Costa, but
Mpem da Costa, yeah, but yes. You know, the issue with Mpem was actually about his height. You know, Mpem was really good, but he made too many fouls. I was a fan of the guy, really, but the point is he couldn't fit in Kotoko. You know, some teams are not just meant for you, and I felt so sorry when he left. But anyway, so fast forward, when I go to the left back, we have Patrick Asma, who just signed today. We have Patrick Akoto, and we have Ibrahim Moru.
Yeah, Patrick Yeboah.
Yeah, and Ibrahim Moru. So making it 3 left backs.
Yes,
that is too many for my liking, to be because you might say maybe we can convert one of them to be a left winger or whatever you might call it, but I don't think they are. Yeah, but I think they are. Yeah, looking at their intelligence on the ball, I mean, left back will suit them more rather than playing them in midfield. So I think before the lockdown, I heard that Patrick Yeboah had a deal to go to. He had some trials to go to. Yeah, so I hope maybe that deal might go through so that he might make way for that, because it makes the wage structure too high. You know, we are now advocating that local players are being paid well. So that is one thing to consider as well. And to me, about the signings, well, I think I haven't seen Patrick Asma playing for a while, ever since he played for the national under-20. I haven't seen him play for a while. So if I judge him now, I'll be too quick, you know, to judge him. I would like to see him a bit before I can judge him. And Yusuf, I've seen at Ashgold, he's okay. But the one that I'm really happy about is Emmanuel Keke. He has the height in midfield, and you know, when you want to really do well in Africa, you need such height, because when you play against the North African people, you know, those people have height. And I can recall the match against Etoile du Sahel when they bossed our midfield. Jordan and Co couldn't do anything in the middle. So I think Keke will be a good signing. But my problem is, I've seen that we have a transitional problem since Polak's time.
Yes.
The team looks a bit disjointed if they are playing, and you could that was even clear when we played against San Pedro.
Yes, I remember.
The tactics was really appalling. So I think Maswa Kunadu should really want to have to do something about that. And furthermore, I think the place Asante Kotoko is now lacking is we are lacking quality wingers.
True. I agree. True.
We are lacking quality wingers and a quality striker. I think the recruitment should be more focused on that part instead of embarking on the mass recruitment that some people would like to call it. So I think if we get a winger,
okay.
I was looking at this guy. He recently played for Adriana, Zakaria Mimuni, and he left for AS Vita. But AS Vita, he's not playing there. So why can't you do a deal with him? True. I mean, he will be a good addition. It will be a good addition.
When players leave Ghana, it's difficult for them to come back.
Yeah, that's true. But recently we've seen Patrick Razak and the other guys coming back as well. So maybe if we give them a good contract, maybe they might be tempted. They always say home sweet home, so you never know.
True. All right. Concerning the striking position, the way I'm seeing it, from a close source close to the club, he says that Kotoko are in for Steve Mukwala from Uganda.
Yeah.
He'll be coming to Ghana next week. And now what I'm saying is that if that guy comes, it means that we have about 5 to 6 strikers at Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because we have Kwame Buku, we have William Obukumensa, we have Osman Ibrahim, we have Richard Atta, we have Nabi Kieta. And they are considering signing as a Magian. That will make it like 6.
Okay. So Clinton, do you know how we want us to do right now?
Okay.
What I want us to do is I want us to actually make a squad for the season right now. Because Nanaya Amponsa during the unveiling of his management, he made mention of using a 4-8-8-4. I think making it 28 players or something of that sort. That's what he said. And I actually support that policy. Because I don't think that we need 30 players for a season. It's way too many, and having 30 players is way too many. So in my opinion, if I'm to select or to give to sell some of the players, personally, judging on what I've seen so far, I would sell Osei Kwame, the goalkeeper.
Okay.
And I will also sell Dan Lad with a buyback clause in it, because he will need the exposure somewhere.
So would you support Asante Kotoko selling to a Ghanaian Premier League club?
Yes, I would, with a buyback clause inserted in it.
Okay.
Because we have to learn from the Europeans, right? That's the common practice. Because let's face the fact, Clinton, Dan Lad is not gonna get the playing time he is needed.
Yes, I heard rumors that he was going back to Bergum Chelsea on a permanent deal. I don't know how sure the intel was.
Okay. So I hope that deals go through with a buyback clause, so that when he becomes good, we can get him back. So what I will do is I will maintain Felix and Kwameba, and then try to find one of the youth keepers to deputize them when it's necessary.
All right.